Hello guys, welcome all. Another video today, another kind of toy. So without wasting time, I'll just show you the products. The box is not there because it has been damaged while unboxing and instant play. First is like I've got a set of 5 cars, okay, and then there is a set of 4 cars, a total 9 cars. So let's see what are they. So this is one, okay, this is one. This is a purple one, as you see, very beautiful car. It is from Hot Wheels, if you can see. So yes, the complete sets are from Hot Wheels. This is a Hot Wheels design and the name is Voltage Spike. This is the first one I've got. Okay, I'll put it here. Okay, then there is a second one. This one looks like the front looks like a Citroen. Okay, but it's not a Citroen anyways, it's a Hot Wheels original design. The name is High Voltage. You can see over here, the name is High Voltage. Okay, made in Indonesia, Hot Wheels design, copyright metal. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, the third one. Okay, this is the third one. See, looks like a Koenigsegg Agera. If you see the front, it completely looks like a Agera or a Regera. The front, see this portion, if you can see, it looks like the same. However, it's not Koenigsegg. Okay, it's again Hot Wheels design. Okay, the name is Power Surge. You can see 2015 metal. Okay, made in Indonesia. I'll put it over here. Now comes the fourth one. Okay, this is again Hot Wheels design. Looks like a Formula 1 or champ car, or you can say a Formula car, any series, but it is not. It looks like a racing car only. This is the front, yeah, and this is the rear. This is the rear, this is the front. Okay, this is a single seater. As you can see, the name is What's Up. Again a Hot Wheels design, metal incorporated. We'll put it here. Okay, let's go to the last one. Okay, this is it. It's a black color. Okay, matte finish. You can see again a Hot Wheels design. This is a pickup truck, but the name is, आप देख सकते हो नाम क्या है. It is a hyper truck. Okay, 2012 courtesy metal hyper truck. You can see over here. So these are the 5 cars I have got. Okay, these are the 5. This was a set of 5. Okay, very beautiful cars, and the assorted colors you can see, all colors are there. Plus I have 4 more cars from another set which I wanted to show to you. Okay, so these were 2 different sets. I'll tell you, this 5 was a different set, and those 4 which are now coming up are again a different set. So ये अलग है, वो अलग है, दोनों भी अलग अलग सेट है, और दोनों मैंने अलग अलग परचेस किया था. Okay, both from Flipkart, I think. This one is the Hot Wheels design. The coming one is the road cars, licensed road cars from Hot Wheels. Okay, now comes the 4 car set. The first in the set. Okay, very recognizable model. If you can see, this is a very famous model from Chevy. It's a Chevy truck. Okay, the name itself, it's 1962 Chevy. So that was a kind of a truck, or the recognition it had back then. It belongs to GM. ओके, यहाँ पे हॉट व्हील्स का ब्रांडिंग है, बट इसमें कुछ ओपन नहीं हो रहा है. नाइस ब्यूटिफुल ग्रिल इट हैज़ हियर, ओवर हियर. नाइस साइन कलर. ओके, you can see, and it looks beautiful. Some wear and tear marks are there. Okay, but that's fine. So this is the first one I'm putting over here. What comes next? Okay, ये अगर आपने मेरा पुराना वीडियो कोई देखा होगा तो इसमें ये I've already shown this in the majorette video, comparing this Ford F50, what it is called, with the one by Majorette. तो दोनों का कंपैरिजन मैंने उस वीडियो में बताया हुआ है. गो एंड वॉच दैट वीडियो, यू विल कम टू नो द डिफरेंस. ओके, इसमें कुछ भी ओपन नहीं होता है, वायरस इन मेजोरेट उसमें एक बोनेट भी ओपन हो रहा था. इन मेजोरेट्स लाइसेंस्ड Ford F150, बट नेवरदलेस दिस इज़ नॉट अ बैड वन, इट्स अ वेरी गुड वन. बड़ा है Ford F150. ओके, यहाँ पे फोर्ड का ब्रांडिंग होगा नीचे. Ford F150, you can see over here. Then Ford's branding over here. Okay, Ford's branding over here, and then here also Ford's branding is there, the blue oval, and this is Ford 150. Okay, popular one. So this is the second one. Okay, coming up the third one. Third one is, say, this white one. Okay, this is what you call the Datsun. Okay, Datsun. So Datsun is a Nissan's brand. Okay, और इसमें का ये 620 Datsun 620 नाम का ट्रक है. So this is Datsun 620. I'm putting over here. This is the third one, and last one is this. Okay, this is called El Camino. Okay, looks cool. दोनों साइड में flames and like stripes हैं. Good livery. See the engine layout over here. Different layout, totally different. Okay, so this is the fourth one. So these are the 4 pickup trucks, and those are 5 Hot Wheels designs. अभी उसमें एक यूनिक चीज़ है, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, which these pickup trucks don't have. So if you see this, okay, so this is it. Okay, if you see over here, इसमें सबके आप देखोगे तो सबके व्हील्स वाइट कलर के हैं. If you see all these 5 cars, there is reason for that. Okay, the reason is these glow in the dark. So ये ग्लो करते हैं डार्क में. I'll just show you how it glows. So can you guys see this? See this, how they glow, how the wheels are glowing. See this for all the 5 cars. यही इसमें यूनिक है. Okay, you will have to give some time, put it in some light so that it glows. So in night it properly glows, and kids love playing in the night with this glow. It is a very unique, characterized set of cars, okay, whose wheels glow in the dark. See guys, one more time. See how they are glowing. So this is what makes them unique. Okay, so it's a very unique, characterized set of cars. You should buy this if you get this in discount. Even if you don't get it in discount, it's unique. It's a collector's favorite. You should buy this. So guys, this is what it is. 5 cars with glowing wheels in the dark. So these are the 4 trucks, as I told you. Do buy if you like. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.